everybody, this is AutoTecPro. Today we're installing 2016 Mercedes Benz E Class. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the system and the feature that come with the system, okay? The original car comes with 7 inches and navigation 360-degree camera as well, okay? This system is fully compatible with all the original features, including the 360-degree camera and the original NTG manual and the original navigation as well. I will show you step by step on the video, okay? So basically, let's talk about the hardware specification of the system first. This system comes with the newest version of the Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. That means it also supports the 4G LTE. It means if you have an extra SIM card, you can insert to the unit, you can access the internet anywhere without connecting to the Wi-Fi hotspot. And of course, if you don't have the SIM card, you can also connect to the Wi-Fi hotspot of the cell phone, and then you can access to the internet, and then you can watch the YouTube, Netflix, anything, okay? You can also download any of the application from the Google App Store as well. This system also comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB storage memory. You can also upgrade it, and this system also comes with the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this system also comes with the 1970 by 720 high definition screen. So it's very nice, okay? It's basically the system actually is very smooth. You can see that it's fully compatible with the original steering wheel control, original camera, and original lock. You can also use this lock to control the screen as well. Let's start from the navigation first, okay? Navigation is built in. You don't need to connect to any Wi-Fi to use the GPS. So basically, this one also comes with traffic update. I'm going to show you how to use the navigation. You just need to click on the bottom right corner here, new road, address, and you can enter the address right here. It's offline. You don't need any data to use the GPS. All right. So another thing is car info. When you click on the car info, what's happened? It will bring you to the original manual. Original Bluetooth, original navigation, everything is on the original manual. This is just like the you won't lose any of the original feature, okay? It will also support the original backup camera. You can see that it's very nice. All right, it's very nice here. And this is also touchscreen. You can also click on the touchscreen here. As you can see, it will become much larger, the interface. You can also make it smaller, all right? So basically, this one also, you can also connect to the internet. Once you connect to the internet, basically you just need to hold this icon here, and then you can turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot on the cell phone, and then you can connect to the internet right here, okay? It's very straightforward. And then once you connect to the Wi-Fi, then you can use the Google Map right here. And you can also go to the internet browser. You can also use the lock to browse the internet. It's very nice, okay? And other than that, you can also watch the YouTube. It's very nice, all right? And then you can also go here to increase the resolution, all right? Other than that, you can also go here to watch the Netflix. If you have the Netflix account, you can also watch the Netflix right here. You can also use the lock to control the application as well. It's very nice. And you can also use the Spotify for sure, okay? You can, if you download you can also download the movie to the USB, and then you can also play that on the system as well. How to do that? Basically, you just need to connect to the USB. Okay, basically it's very nice, okay? So you also come the dashboard right here, all right? So basically, you can, when you step on the gas, it will also show the speed and also the RPM as well. Of course, you can also change the color here, depends on your personal preference, all right? It's very nice. And pull down a little bit from the top, you can see the home button here, all right? And because this one comes with the newest version of the MBUX 2021, you can see that the menu is a little bit different, right? For example, when you listen to the music here, the background will show the album. The album picture, it will show up on the background, okay? For example, if you play another music, the whole background will be changed. It's very nice, all right? All right, and other than that, basically, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay after, okay? But before that, I'm gonna show you one more new feature that come with the system. You can change the theme. This is the new version. You can also change the color of the theme. You can change the background, you see, to match with your ambient light, anything, okay? The blue color is right here. You can also change to black color, you know. It's very nice. This feature will only exist on the newest version, all right? So you can see that's very nice, all right? Okay, so basically, I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Apple CarPlay right now. This system supports the newest version of the iPhone 13 and iOS 15, all right? So basically, how to connect to the Apple CarPlay, just bring out your iPhone and connect to the Bluetooth GOC SDK, enter the password 0000, keep pair. Once you see the icon here, that means it's connected, and then you can open the ceiling. It's automatic, and then grant authorization on the cell phone. Use CarPlay. Once you finish, and then you will need to, because this is iOS 15, you will need to go to Wi-Fi. Because wireless Apple CarPlay, they use the Bluetooth to pair at the beginning, but once they get paired, they will switch to Wi-Fi at the background. So wireless Apple CarPlay, they actually use Wi-Fi. So as you can see, there's on the Wi-Fi menu on the phone, it shows Android AP. Click on this one, go here, and then turn on the low data mode. Now you can see that this is wireless Apple CarPlay. It's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use the wireless Apple CarPlay right now. All right, so basically you can also, this one is support the split screen as well. You can also use the lock. Okay, you can see that it's very nice, it's very smooth. You can also check your own message right here. All right, it's very nice. And other than that, you can also play the music. Okay, and other than that, I'm gonna show you how to use the Siri. In order to use the Siri, you just need to click on the bottom left corner. Bring me to the gas station.
Here's what I found.
It's very nice. And of course, you can also use the voice control to make the phone call. And what's the temperature today?
The high for today will be 7 degrees, and the low will be 4.
Wow, it's pretty cool. Okay, perfect. So here we go. So this system can also be purchased from our website, www.AutoTecPro.com. If you guys have any question about the system, please feel free to contact us, AutoTecPro. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.